Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to choose membership plan on FlexJob. FlexJob is a premium job platform that offers verified remote, hybrid, freelance and flexible jobs. To apply for jobs, you need to choose a membership plan and here's how you can do it. So first you need to open any of the web browser. You can go to the top search bar after that and type down FlexJob and enter it. Over here on the home page you can find this option. If you have already logged in, you can select this option for the get started. Over here on the right hand side, over here when you reach into this interface, of the pricing ranges as well. If you want to do a full access for the 14-day, you can do that in just $2. If you want a 3-month full access, you can do it as well, which is the most popular one. But if you want the annual access, you can select this, and after that you can select on this continue and you can choose the right plan for you. If you're testing the platform, choose a short or monthly plan, and if you're serious about finding a remote job, the 3-month or annual saves more money. And after that you can select to the continue. You can make the payment at your payment method such as credit card or PayPal and complete the checkout process. And once payment is complete, your membership is activated instantly. You can do now full job details, click apply now, save jobs and set jobs alert. And that's it. That's how you can choose your membership plan on FlexJob in just minutes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble choosing a membership plan in FlexJob, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.